OTK, or One True King, is a Twitch network made out of a bunch of different Twitch streamers that we're gonna be talking about today.
YouTube has been telling me the importance of telling you guys to subscribe, so please consider subscribing if you're new. Thank you.
OTK was created back in 2020 by Asmongold, SFanTV, NMPLOL, and Misgif, I believe, and since then they have been expanding the network with new creators, new ideas, new shows, and essentially expanded the whole network as a whole. OTK is famous for when they are introducing new content creators. For example, earlier this year when they introduced sodapoppin, they went on a haunted house trip, where basically all of the streamers from OTK was walking around filming themselves, and the live stream turned into a video where basically all of the OTK members was killed off by a guy with a scary mask, and guess who it was? It was sodapoppin. They even had Russell play on Soda's alt account on his computer to make sure that no one was suspicious that Soda was going to join OTK.
Why do you guys think sodapoppin was so good at CSGO, right? It's me, the FPS god.
I don't think people, when they were watching that live stream, expected Soda to join. First of all, he was in another network called Energy, and when I saw the live stream, I was really shocked to see, oh, that's Soda, and I was so happy. Because obviously sodapoppin has been in a bunch of OTK events previously because he's a roommate of Nick. Some of the OTK events has been going on in Soda's house, so it makes totally sense for him to join, and it makes everything so much better now. So yeah, they have basically been taking regular streams and regular stream formats and networking streamers together, making TV shows and making super good quality streams. They have created shows like Schooled, Loot Gobbling, have different reacts. They even had their own E3-like thing where they were showing off new games and new game releases in an OTK event. And now recently they have been creating their own PC brand with pre-built computers that you can buy today. Starforce PCs is a PC manufacturer where you basically can pick your own PC, and they have a bunch of different pre-builds where you basically can click one button and buy yourself a PC. That's super great.
Would we ever put our name behind something that wasn't great?
No, of course not.
We would, we'd do it again. But not this time. This stuff's good, trust me.
OTK has in the last years done a bunch more stuff. They recently launched a 24/7 lo-fi music thing, which is going on 24/7 on their Twitch channel. I really think OTK is a good thing for Twitch, and hopefully they can have new creators, have new ideas, and make something cool for everyone to enjoy. And yeah, I know, this whole video sounds like a promotion. It sounds like I was getting paid, but no, I'm actually super supportive, and I actually really like what they are doing, and I hope they are continuing in that direction, and I just really like the streamers. I'm just a fan of all of the creators on OTK, and when they are getting together to do cool stuff, I support it 100%. It's really cool. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. Just like with every other creator that I have been talking about previously on this YouTube channel, leave a comment in the comment section if you have any suggestions of which streamer I will be talking about next time, or if there is something related to YouTube or Twitch or whatever, leave it down in the comment section. Or if you don't have anything to say, just pick your favorite emoji and put it down in the comment section, because engagement makes this channel grow and we need subscribers. So please subscribe, leave a like, comment, whatever, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye.